Welcome back to Pro and Never Cowslips here. This is CLE's Language Arts 7, Book 3. Okay, Language Arts 7, Lesson 2, Adverb Phrases. Let's do a little bit of review. What do we call the two adjectives that follow directly after a noun and modify that noun? Or an adjective that follows directly after a noun.
Positive.
And a positive adjective. Great. What are the positive adjectives in this sentence? The horse is tired and sweaty, pulled into the house.
Tired and sweaty.
Tired and sweaty. Excellent. And it's set off usually by what punctuation? Commas around them. The horses, comma, tired and sweaty, comma, drove up the lane. Okay. Today's lesson is about adverb phrases. An adverb is a word that modifies what?
A verb.
Verbs. Adjectives or other adverbs. And adverbs tell what?
How, when, and
Adverbs
where,
tell
to what extent?
how, when, where, and to what extent.
This is not yours.
Excellent. How, when, where, and to what extent. Now, today we're talking about adverbs that aren't just adverbs, but that are adverb phrases. Maybe the adverb becomes a part of a phrase. And these adverb phrases are going to actually be prepositional phrases. So prepositional phrases that answer the questions how, when, where, or to what extent. Can you find some adverb phrases in this sentence? During the storm, he hid under the bed.
Under.
A phrase is going to be more than one word.
Under the bed.
Under the bed. Excellent. Can you find another adjective phrase?
Oh. During the storm.
During the storm. So these are both adverb phrases. And during the storm is telling what? During the storm is telling how, when, where, or to what degree. When. Great. And under the bed is telling?
Where.
Great. During the storm, he hid under the bed. Let's diagram it now. Subject is?
He. Storm.
He. Verb is?
Hid.
Hid. And where do you think during the storm and under the bed will go?
Under the bed. Hid.
Under the bed goes under hid.
The.
Under bed. The. Where does during the storm go?
He. Hid.
Also under hid. It's an adverb, and both of these adverbs always modify verbs. Both of these are modifying the verb. So, notice that the adverb phrase can come anywhere in the sentence. It can come at the beginning of the sentence, it can come at the end of the sentence, anywhere in the sentence. Always will modify the verb, it could modify an adjective or another adverb. So, he hid under the bed during storm. The. Notice that's another thing we can do with adverb phrases. Adverb phrases can often be moved in the sentence. It's still okay. He hid under the bed during the storm. That makes sense. We move this adverb phrase. It hardly makes sense to say under the bed he hid during the storm. But it could make sense. Normally you can move an adverb phrase. Okay, that's all you have to remember. Adverbs tell how, when, where, to what degree. And today we're talking about phrases. So often there'll be prepositional phrases. I think always there'll be prepositional phrases. They'll begin with a preposition, but this prepositional phrase is functioning as an adverb in the sentence. Let's do some of the first ones there. Number 1 in your lesson. Put parentheses around the adverb phrase, draw an arrow from each of the word it modifies. What's the adverb phrase in number 1? Lars dressed in black furs from head to foot.
In thick furs.
In thick furs. Great. So put parentheses around it. And what word does it modify?
Dressed.
Dressed. Great. Can you find another one in there? From head.
Here.
From head to foot. And what does from head to foot modify?
Dressed.
Dressed as well. Excellent. Carry on and do the rest the same.